So I really wanted to make this series to get away from the weekly drop list boilerplate that I kind of got stuck into, and create videos that have a longer relevance. But if these videos don't perform well, I'll probably only end up doing 2 or 3 of them, since they are going to require a lot of time to plan, research, and edit. That being said, the next episode or whatever in this series will be up probably 2 weeks after I upload this one, just so you guys have a week to leave feedback and I can make any adjustments, and then I'll shoot the video and then edit it for another week and upload it then. So with that being said, make sure you guys leave a like if you do enjoy the video somewhat. Try to share it so we can get some views and hopefully keep this series going for a little bit, and leave a comment. Let me know if there's any room for improvement or a brand that you guys would like to see, or if you did hate something in it, let me know. But with that being said, welcome to Streetwear Startups. I think there's an intro that I made that's supposed to play. So Alex's Stupid Shirts is a Pittsburgh-based clothing project created by a guy named Alex with the help of a different guy named Dalton. Together, we are on a mission to create the least pretentious online clothing store of all time. So that right there obviously is a quote because I said, we and whatnot. I believe I got that off their Kickstarter, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But anyway, that kind of introduces the brand. We are talking about Alex's Stupid Shirts. The owners/creators are Alex McMullen and Dalton Sheriff, and Alex is obviously the main dude, Alex's Stupid Shirts, Alex. It's basically where the main portion of my research went into. So since the brand is titled Alex's Stupid Shirts, I only researched stuff about Alex. I'm not too sure about the Dalton guy, but if you guys do know more stuff about him, or if you are watching this Dalton, make sure to leave some info in the comments below. So Alex just graduated from the University of Pittsburgh, making him either like 21 or 22 years old if he went there straight out of high school. On there, he had like a graduation card type thing, and it said he listed passing Calc 2 with a C+ as one of his greatest achievements, or something like that. It might not have been greatest achievements. I'll throw a picture up right here. You guys can prove me wrong. I'll prove myself wrong with that. But yeah, shout out to him. My Calc 2 score was way below a C+. Moving on, Alex majored in computer engineering and has a front-end dev job lined up after his graduation. So that kind of entails like website stuff, which makes sense when we will view his web store later on. And also, fun fact, I'm doing front-end dev stuff for my job right now. So their first Instagram post was on March 29th of 2018. So that's around the time that the brand started. Obviously, they didn't just like the day they started creating Instagram. So stuff was going on behind the scenes for a while before this. And Alex was talking about he's been making clothes since high school. So obviously this was probably planned for a while. But if you want to put like an official date on it, you can look at the Instagram and maybe use that. So they're self-proclaimed as the world's dumbest brand in the world. They can be seen going by the acronym ASS. So they bring in an aesthetic mixture of Golf Wang and Life is Good, with bright colors and overly simplistic graphics, especially when it comes to the stick figure, 5-year-old, kindergarten, refrigerator looking faces that their brand has become known for. So they heavily incorporate nature into a lot of their designs, with many of them revolving around animals of some sorts. They even made some stuffed animals, some plush type accessories, and those appeared to sell very well. So looking at the beginning of the brand, they actually started a Kickstarter for their first collection, and the Kickstarter was created with a $3,000 goal and a 1-month lifespan, and it actually received $5,825 from 248 backers. And it's also interesting because there were a number of rewards for the backers, and they're actually pretty good, or I guess they call them pledges. But yeah, rewards included stickers, teas, even curated playlists, because Alex was a DJ at his college radio station and supposedly had good taste and indie cred, which definitely fits the vibe coming off this brand. An example of these pledges would be $15 would get you a t-shirt. Business operates or operated using pre-orders, and it looks like they have since moved to stocking inventory and selling the items that way. So they use Next Level CVC crew shirts. I'm not sure what they use for their crew necks. I believe Champion reverse weave, maybe. And they also use underground printing for the printing, obviously. So I researched the blanks a little bit, and it seems like those are pretty decent blanks. Not super cheap, not super expensive ones. I also found the printing place on Google, and if it is the right place, it had 4.9 out of 5 stars, so they're using a pretty good printing place. So the brand started off with $5 shipping. I'm not sure if they still currently offer $5 shipping for in-states. But yeah, that's, you know, some of the cheapest shipping I've ever seen. So their website opened on June 24th of 2018. It's actually a really well done website. Like I was saying before, Alex does a lot of front end stuff, so it makes sense that he's able to make a very aesthetically pleasing website. And I think the website perfectly matches the aesthetic of the brand, and we'll take a look at it right here. So like I was saying, the aesthetic of this website matches perfectly, and you know, I'm sure that's obvious to you guys. Also, kind of a cool thing, when you refresh the page, you get all the banners and stuff change color. So it's generated randomly, I think. I don't think there's any set order. But yeah, you can see shipping here. It looks like they're still doing the $5 shipping. You can see the shipping for everywhere else. Plays into the playfulness. They have, you know, 2 categories, shirts and not shirts. So we'll take a quick look at some of the products that they have featured here. So you got a really simple design with one of those smiley faces. And if you guys aren't familiar with the brand, you'll see that a lot of these smiley faces are going to be on there. So this is their Stew shirt, and I actually haven't seen the back of this shirt, but I do like this. I like this design, the back of it. At first I thought it was just the front, but this is playing on the like woo stuff, you know, with the eyes, the anime weeb stuff. Not knocking it. I watch a lot of anime. Unless you don't like anime, then I don't watch anime. Please follow me. But yeah, here they kind of flipped it. Obviously, they have a more realistic face, and then on the back they got the little stick figure faces. Got some details on the fabric and whatnot there. And then also the price, $24, which for a t-shirt is not bad. Shorts, $24. You have this Neapolitan ice cream looking stuff. I think these are decent. Definitely would not wear them. I feel like these would translate better onto sweat shorts instead of basketball shorts. I like the blanks that they use for their hats. I think that's cool, and I really love to see them doing embroidery. That's one thing I really like about this brand, is how much embroidery that they do. You'll see like right here, this hoodie is mostly, if not all, embroidered. Yeah, so this is all embroidered, which really ups the quality. You know, it's a lot better to have something embroidered, or something's a lot more high quality when it's embroidered, as long as it's done well, obviously. Rather than screen printed. So this is pretty much just a quick rundown of their site, and it lets me preview some of the items for you guys. But now we'll jump back to the other stuff. So if you go to their Instagram, they have over 7,000 followers. They post very frequently. They interact with a lot of their followers, and they do giveaways all the time. So if you guys are a fan of the brand, make sure to go follow them. Also, from digging through their posts, I saw one post where they listed a sweatshirt that was going to be for sale, and they said the blank used was a Champion reverse weave, so that's why I said earlier. But yeah, they said the price was going to be $60, and they apologized for it being so expensive or having to charge so much for it, which is funny because, you know, $60 is going rate for a sweatshirt. So overall, I am a fan of the brand, but not for the reasons one usually is a fan of a clothing brand. First off, I don't really like their designs. The bright colors that they use and the playful designs just don't really fit my style. It's hard when you don't have a personality like that to, you know, match that with your style. Kind of reminds me of the Uniqlo Cause collaborations, where you have these usually mediocre designs. Sometimes they are pretty cool, but they come on good quality blanks, decent quality blanks, and they're a really fair price. Now, after trashing their designs, why do I like ass? Why am I an ass man? I usually support a strong separation or a decent amount of mystery between the brand and the creator, but when you look at Alex's ass, it makes you want to cry. Alex is very charismatic, which is obvious through his social media and the brand's social media. When you look at it, you get the feeling that this brand really is him. It's not facade or him trying to be something he's not. Another example of how genuine the brand is comes from how much they interact with their followers. You can click on any post and you'll probably see back and forth comments between Alex or whoever runs their social media and their fans. And once again, I think the price is just another thing that proves Alex's Stupid Shirts is just trying to do what they enjoy. So that's about it. I'm not going to give it a rating or anything. If you guys would like a rating system implemented, let me know in the comments. It's kind of hard to do it, not having anything else to compare it to, any other episodes to go off of. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did, and share the video. It helps grow the channel, get more eyes on this. But yeah, comment, let me know what you guys think, what could change, who you want to see on here, and all that. Feel free to follow me on Instagram right here. You can get channel updates, little behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.